Importing data table from PDF file to Microsoft Word or Excel by direct copy and paste is a little difficult. For that reason, Excel equipped with a function to import a data from PDF file. To import table from PDF file, go to Data, click on Get Data from File, then click on From PDF. Select a PDF file, then click on Import. It takes a moment to read a PDF file and detect the data tables, then a pop-up window appears which shows all detected tables on the PDF file. In this example there are two tables on first page. Excel separate both table in which you can import the desired one. Select the desired table, and click on Load. After a short moment, the table with all details are imported into Excel. By using direct copy and paste, the table can be imported to Microsoft Word.